Just going to do a quick video on the installation of a Magnaflow dual exhaust for the Gladiators, part number 19487. Going over the stock exhaust right now to show you what we're going to be replacing. Alright, here's the update. Magnaflow dual exhaust. Around the back of the tire. Plenty of room if you want to remove that shield and put a 37 into the bed. This kit is fairly easy to install. It uses all the factory exhaust mounts and just slides into place. Alright, start her up. That sounds good, a little deeper sound. Here we're going to do a drive-by, just idling by. This time we can actually get on the gas a little. It sounds a little different outside than it does inside the building. Overall, the Magnaflow exhaust for the JT Gladiator is a great fit. It sounds great and looks great. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more off-road videos and product reviews. Thanks a lot.